Hello everybody, welcome back to your channel, HD Interiors. A staircase isn't just a way to move between floors, it's a statement piece that can transform the entire look of a home. In 2025, modern staircase designs are all about elegance, functionality, and seamless integration with contemporary interiors. From floating steps that appear to defy gravity, to sculptural spiral staircases that double as works of art, the possibilities are endless. But the magic doesn't stop at the design. The right lighting can completely change the mood, turning a simple staircase into a striking architectural feature. Whether it's subtle LED strips tucked beneath each step or bold pendant lights cascading down an open staircase, modern lighting trends in 2025 bring both style and practicality. Let's dive into the best staircase designs and lighting ideas that will elevate any space. Sleek, open, and effortlessly modern, floating staircases continue to dominate contemporary interiors. With no visible support underneath, these staircases create a sense of weightlessness, making spaces feel larger and more refined. They work beautifully in minimalist homes, where clean lines and open concept layouts take center stage. Cantilevered staircases take this concept a step further, with each step appearing to extend directly from the wall. These designs rely on hidden structural support, giving the illusion of steps suspended in midair. Materials like warm-toned wood, sleek steel, and even glass enhance the floating effect, making them a perfect fit for modern aesthetics. Beyond their striking appearance, these staircases allow natural light to flow freely, adding to their airy and sophisticated appeal. Modern staircases aren't just about the steps, the railings play a crucial role in defining their style. In 2025, glass railings are a top choice for homeowners looking to create a seamless, open feel. Unlike traditional railings, which can visually divide a space, glass railings maintain a clean and unobstructed look, allowing natural light to flow effortlessly. Frameless designs take this concept even further, eliminating bulky hardware for a sleek, almost invisible effect. Whether paired with floating stairs or a contemporary metal structure, frameless glass railings add a touch of modern sophistication. For those wanting a bit more privacy or design flair, frosted or tinted glass options provide a stylish twist without sacrificing the airy aesthetic. Spiral and curved staircases are redefining modern interiors in 2025, blending elegance with functionality. Unlike traditional straight designs, these staircases introduce fluidity and movement, creating a striking focal point in any home. Spiral staircases are perfect for smaller spaces, offering a compact yet stylish solution without compromising on design. Their sculptural form adds an artistic element, making them both practical and visually stunning. For larger homes, curved staircases bring a sense of grandeur. Their sweeping lines and organic shapes soften the overall look of a space, making interiors feel more inviting. Popular materials like black steel, rich wood, and polished marble enhance their luxurious appeal, while minimalist designs with thin metal railings maintain a contemporary touch. Whether bold and dramatic or subtle and refined, these staircases are a timeless choice for modern homes. A staircase is more than just steps, it's an opportunity to showcase personality and style. In 2025, handrails are evolving beyond their traditional role, becoming bold design features in their own right. Sleek metal handrails with geometric patterns add an industrial edge, while sculptural wood designs bring warmth and artistry to modern spaces. For a more luxurious touch, contrast is key. Black staircases paired with gold or brass railings create a sophisticated, high-end look, while mixed materials, like glass panels combined with wooden handrails, strike a perfect balance between contemporary and timeless. Even minimalist homes are embracing statement details, with floating handrails that seem to hover beside the staircase, adding to the illusion of weightlessness. These design choices elevate staircases from purely functional to truly unforgettable. Lighting isn't just about visibility, it's about creating atmosphere. Integrated LED strip lighting is one of the most stylish and practical ways to enhance a modern staircase in 2025. By placing LED strips beneath each step or along the handrails, staircases gain a soft, floating effect that adds depth and sophistication. Warm white LEDs create a cozy and inviting ambience, while cooler tones give a sleek, futuristic feel. For a more dynamic look, color-changing RGB LEDs allow for customization, adjusting to different moods or occasions. Motion-activated lighting takes this trend to the next level, offering both convenience and energy efficiency by illuminating only when needed. With the right placement, LED strip lighting transforms staircases into stunning architectural features, even after the sun goes down. Beyond integrated LEDs, pendant and recessed lighting bring an extra layer of style and sophistication to modern staircases in 2025. A well-placed pendant light can turn a simple staircase into a breathtaking design feature. Whether it's a cascading chandelier in a double-height space or a series of sleek, minimalist pendants, these lights create a dramatic focal point while enhancing the overall ambience. For a more subtle approach, recessed lighting along the stair wall or within the steps provides a seamless, modern glow. This type of lighting is perfect for maintaining a clean, uncluttered look while improving safety and visibility. Combining both pendant and recessed lighting allows for a balanced design, one that is both functional and visually stunning. Technology is transforming staircase lighting, making it more intuitive and efficient than ever. In 2025, smart lighting systems allow homeowners to control brightness, color, and timing with just a tap on their smartphone or a voice command. Whether it's dimming the lights for a relaxed evening atmosphere or setting a schedule for energy efficiency, automation brings both convenience and style. Motion sensor lighting is another game changer, illuminating steps only when movement is detected. This not only adds a futuristic touch, but also enhances safety, especially in the dark. Some systems even sync with home automation, adjusting the lighting based on the time of day or integrating with other smart features. With these innovations, modern staircase lighting goes beyond aesthetics, creating a seamless blend of design and functionality. A well-designed staircase isn't just a functional necessity, it's a key element that shapes the entire look and feel of a home. From floating steps and glass railings to statement handrails and smart lighting, modern staircase designs in 2025 blend innovation with aesthetics, making them true architectural highlights. With the right combination of materials, lighting, and technology, a staircase can be transformed into a work of art that enhances both style and functionality. Whether it's a bold sculptural statement or a sleek, minimalist masterpiece, the possibilities are endless. If you enjoyed these ideas and want more home design inspiration, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to HD Interiors. Hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest trends and tips for elevating your living space.